guys, just getting here, and welcome back to another Mixer live stream. And today we are going to be doing another one. It's going to be a bit of a shorter one today. Before we do start, it's going to be a bit of a shorter one. You might have noticed that I'm doing it a bit earlier than usual. I'm doing it a bit earlier today. There's a bit of a reason. I'm going to explain it right now. A bit earlier today and shorter as well today. It's going to be 50 minutes. The reason why I'm doing it early today is because the United game is on later on, and also Liverpool are on after that, and obviously I'm watching them both. That's kind of the reason I'm doing them early, just because that they're on later, and I don't want to miss them. That's why I'm doing them early. And I've also decided to make it not an hour. I'm going to make it a short stream as well. So I've decided to make it 50 minutes. As you can see, I've got my United shirt on me right now. Obviously, when that game's over, I'll be changing into my Liverpool one. My Liverpool top's just on my bed there. I'm going to be wearing that one, obviously, when they come on. So, So the good thing is as well is at least they're not on at the same time, which is good. Obviously, when United are over, they're on afterwards. So it's going to be good to me to do that. But the plan for today is going to be Spielberg. So we're going to do a time attack on Spielberg, see how it goes. Obviously, I don't like the track. I know that I don't like it, but we've got to do it. So I'm going to do it anyway, just see how it goes, and hopefully it's not going to go too bad. Yesterday we did Aragon, went alright. So, this time we're going to do some Spielberg, just see how it goes. Hopefully we're not going to struggle, hopefully not. We're just going to see how it goes, and hopefully just not struggle. It's kind of the main thing that I want to go for, and just see how we get on. Let's see how we get on. So, I'm not looking forward to Spielberg because I hate the track, but we've got to do it in a stream, so I'm just going to see how it goes anyway. So there it is, the Madful Beast Spielberg. I don't like it. I don't like it at all. Like, all the laps I've done on it, I just don't. But I just want to do it in a stream, just see how it goes, and yeah. So, okay, right, we've done everything. Yes, we have. I'm just going to move that just down here so I can just see my lap times. There we are, that'll do. That should see the lap times. That's alright as well. Okay, we're just about ready to go. So, okay, right, let's get into it. And by the way, whoever's joined the stream, thank you for tuning in. Well, thank you for watching me, I should say. Joey Grace has put you ugly. Okay, well, thank you for that message. Well, I'm actually pretty sure he's from my Facebook. I'm pretty sure that guy. Well, thank you for the ugly message. Just to let you know, mate, I'm not ugly. Thank you very much. I'm handsome and an awesome person and a funny person. So I do not want mean words on my streams. Thank you. I believe that's the first mean comment I've actually had on one of my streams. That's just like crazy. Right then, let's go and I'm just gonna ignore that. Let's go and start doing what we need to do. Okay. Right, done the tyres, I've done the brakes, done that. Stop tyres. Okay. Right, so lap times, I have no idea around here. Like, I don't know. Like, it is, it's going to be short lap times, but I don't know what I'm actually going to go for, to be honest. I don't know. I think my plan is to go, like, for really short lap times. I think that's probably my plan, so I'm just going to go for that and just see what happens. Right, is that going to see the lap board? I just hope that is. I might have to move it a little bit further down, but that should actually see the lap board. Obviously when we've completed a lap, so yeah, we'll see anyway. We'll see anyway. Okay. Right, let's go and see how we get on. Yeah, it's only going to be 50 minutes today. I'm actually glad we're only doing this 50, just because I obviously hate Spielberg, and obviously we've got to do a really short one, so yeah, I'm glad that we're doing that. There we go. Right, okay. Not too bad. I believe that actually should see the lap board, because I know it comes on the the right somewhere, but that should hopefully see the lap board. Anyway, guys, if you want to go and follow me on Mixer, please go and do that. That Joey Grace guy, he won't follow me because he's just called me a bloody ugly guy. So he won't bloody follow me. But anyway, yeah. But if you are a nice person and you want to follow me, please go and do that. And also subscribe to my channel. We're on the road to 800 subscribers. So if you are new to my my YouTube channel, please go and subscribe that as well. Because yeah, this will be going on YouTube at 10 o'clock later. So if you want to watch it back, you can do. Yeah, we are looking pretty good so far. I'm gonna see what I can do anyway. Just hope I can do what I got time. So hopefully I can do hopefully I can do anyway. Yeah, let's see. Am I gonna see the lap board? Yes, it is. Okay, that's fine. Okay, I can actually move it up a little bit further up there. Okay, is that alright? Look at that. Yep, that's fine. Leave it like that. Okay, right, so we've done a 142, that's a good start. So my plan is just to try and do about 17 laps again. We could do about 18. Possibly could be 20, but I don't know. It basically all depends on how many laps we do, and depends actually on how many times we get validated as well. So it just all depends. All depends. There's always got to be a lot of sliding I do on here as well. Like, because on this track as well, like back in the past, I did a lot of sliding on here. To be honest, there was a lot of sliding I did on here. Like, there was a lot of sliding I did. So, there was a lot of it. There was a lot of it that I did. So. Because I know that when we did this in the test streams, for some reason I was like really sliding a lot on it. So, but at the moment on here, I'm not really I'm actually not really sliding that much. So I don't even know what's actually going on at the moment. But at the moment, like, I'm not really sliding as much. So don't even know why though. I don't know why though, but for some reason I am. So. Oh, yeah, run a little bit quicker there. Yeah, the plan is just to try and beat the Ghost on like a lot of laps. That's pretty much the plan. That's what we did on Aragon anyway. So if we can do it on here as well, that'll be alright as well. And by the way, if you haven't noticed where the helicopter is, it's right up in the air. By the way, for some reason on this track, it's really high up in the air, and I don't even know why. So like it's really far up. So I don't even know why they've done it on this one. I have no idea. Because like on the other tracks, like the helicopter's really low down, but for some reason on this one it's like really high up, and I don't know why that is.
It's YouTube Music. Download the app today to get a trial of Music Premium on us. Restrictions apply.
Wait, hang on a minute. You know that Joey Grace guy? Was he the guy that invited me earlier? Let's have a look at that. Pretty sure he was the guy that invited me earlier. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that was the guy that invited me earlier. Called Zach that invited me to that party. I'm pretty sure that's that Joey Grace guy that invited me. I'm pretty sure it's him. That Zach guy that invited me to that party earlier. I think it's actually him that's just called me ugly. So, yeah, I'm gonna have a look now. Let me have a look. Oh no, I'm not starting a party. Oh, for goodness sake. No, we're not doing a party. Okay, yeah, I'm pretty sure it's that. Oh, what? Oh, why have I started a bloody party? For goodness sake. Let me just leave that. There we go. Yeah, don't ask me why I did that. I pressed the wrong button. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's that Joey Grace guy. How do I find him on here? Is it on here? Oh, I've done it again! Jack, stop pressing the bloody wrong button! For goodness sake. Yeah, it's down here. Here we go. There we go. Who the hell's that? Okay, someone sent me a message on Sunday. I have no idea who actually that is. Okay, I'll have a look at that later. Oh, Jack sent me a message. Are you watching F1? Okay. Yeah, it seems to not be on here. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's that guy who invited me earlier. I think he's the yeah, I think he's the one that called me ugly earlier. I'm trying to find where it is actually. Okay, I think is it here? No, it's not here, is it? Oh, here we go. See if I can find it on here. Should be on here somewhere. Okay, it seems to not be on here. But anyway, yeah. So I believe it was that. Yeah, I believe. Yeah, it was that guy that called me ugly earlier. Yeah, that guy who basically invited me. Anyway, right, we'll stop looking on that now. Let's carry on. Okay, right then. So we've done a 141 on that lap. Oh, it's lagging now. Okay, just wait. Yeah, just wait for the lag to calm down, and then we can continue. But yeah, I think it was that guy. Because basically, that guy kept like inviting me to parties, and I really didn't like it. And now he's actually calling me ugly now. Why? There's no need. There's no need to call me that. Jesus. Does he know that I'm busy? Does he know that I'm not a party person? He probably knows. I don't know. He probably knows anyway. I don't know, do I? Right, let's carry on. Okay, so we've done the 141 on that. Oh yeah, remind me to message that weird gamer tag later as well, because apparently there's a girl on there that I'm actually going out with, and I'm surprised she's actually not messaged actually. But yeah, that one that invited me to GTA 5 earlier. That girl that's got that weird gamer tag, that's the one I'm actually going out with. So remind me later to actually message her. Actually, I might actually do that before I actually go off Xbox actually. Because I'm actually going off at Xbox before the United game comes on. So, yeah, remember to do that. Because apparently, like, well, I hope it is anyway. But yeah, I'm actually going to message her and just say, like, if we are still going out or not. And if we are going out, yeah, I'll have to let you know in the next stream. I might end up messaging that guy as well and telling him to not call me ugly. So I might give him a message as well. Because like, all the time I've been on Xbox, I've only got 100 friends, and I'm actually quite surprised that I've like, only got 100. So, quite surprisingly. Like, I've been on Xbox One for 4 years, and I've only got 100 friends. So, not that many. Hopefully I do get a lot on the Xbox Series X. Like, I don't know how many I'll get on there, but I don't know. I don't know, to be honest, on there. Right, let's see if we can get a 140. I want to try and get that. See if we can try and get that. Come on, Spielberg, give me a 140. Oh, wide. Oh, I thought we got validated then. We just went on the green stuff there. I thought we got validated there. I literally thought we did. I thought we got validated. Ooh! Okay, nearly went on the grass. Oh, my arms itching. Bear with me 1 minute. There we go. Alright, looks like I'm not going to do this lap. Because of my itchy arm. I should have really paused it. Not pause it again. I don't want to pause it again, it would have been like the 4th time I would have done it, so I'm going to do it again. Oops, I'm really wide there. Yeah, I just can see that like the helicopter's like really far up in the air. Like, to be honest, I have no idea why he is on this game. On this game. On this track, sorry. I have no idea. I don't know why like he's really far up on this one. I don't know. Yeah, where is that? Oh, I can see him. I can see the helicopter. Like, look at him. Look, he's all the way up there. Like, what's he doing all the way up there? He doesn't need to be all the way up there. I have no idea. I don't know why. He doesn't need to be all the way up there. That's just like too high up. I don't know. I don't know, to be honest. What I don't like about him on this one. Because to be honest, but at the moment, there's no need for him to be right up there. There's no need. Where's the ghost? Where's right there? Okay. Right, please give me a bloody 120 now. 120? 140. Please give me a 140. Please give me a 140, will you? Are you actually going to count your mind up or what? Oh, green. Okay, I thought nearly went on the green again. Where is that? Oh, he's right there. Okay, we might have to do it. We might be doing it here. Nope, slide in again. Come on. Come on. Oh, I think we've done it. Right, please be a 140. Please be a 140. No! Oh, I need to go so quicker. Well, we've got another 141 though, so we did beat the last one. Oh, I really want to get a 140 now. Where's the helicopter now? I can't even like see him. I Can't even see him in the air. Because he's too high up. That's why I can't see him. There was no need for him to be that high up. Because the next one after this one is it Haref after this one? The next one? I think it's Haref anyway. But yeah, when we get to that one, it'll be really low down again. So when we get to that one, it'll be really low down. So just have to wait until that one arrives. We did a 144, 140, 15. I really want a 140. I really want a 140 now. I really want a 140. Please give me a 140. Doesn't actually really want me one, does it? Yeah, for some reason, you know that girl I was talking about earlier. She actually had an IKEA account, which is actually a new social media that I'm currently using now. Apparently she was on there. We were talking a lot on there, and for some reason her brother, that I've got on Snapchat, I think I've got him on Instagram as well. I think. He kept saying. Apparently he told me that she deleted her IKEA account. And I don't even know why she did. And apparently I've just realised I've actually got her on Xbox as well, so I can actually message her through there now. So I just kind of realised that. So at least that's better than nothing, isn't it? Oh no! Okay, I didn't actually go on the green, but I went on the curve and I got validated. Okay, we've got our first validated lap of the stream. See, I've just kind of realised I've got her on Xbox now, so that's brilliant. So, as I said, remind me in a bit to message her and tell her that if she still loves me and she still wants to be with me, so yeah, see about that. Okay, someone's just messaging me saying that they're a Liverpool fan. Alright then. Itchy arm again. Don't stop. Oh, wide. Girl's not supposed to happen. Just realised that my hands are getting a bit sweaty on the controller. Just gonna realise that. Yeah, I've actually not had any people add me recently. I think the last guy that added me was like that guy. I think that's the last guy that added me. But at the moment I've not been, at the moment though, I've not had any people add me recently. I know that most people add me from Minecraft. Obviously when I'm playing, the mini games and stuff. That's why most people add me anyway. Especially when the people don't recognise me and stuff. Yeah, by the way, speaking of Minecraft, I will be doing it on this channel soon. So make sure you stay around. I think I'm gonna do I think I might do Bedrock version first. Just because I don't like that version. Like I do like it, but it's not that great. So I've been thinking to do that version first, and then do and then do the Xbox one afterwards. So I might do that actually. So I think the game after this one will be Minecraft Bedrock. I think I'll probably go after this. So yeah, and then I think after that I'll do the Xbox One edition after that. So yeah. Ooh. Okay. No, I still can't get a 140. Still can't get a 140. I really want to get a 140 now. I really want to get a 140 now. I really want a 140.
Download the app today to get a trial of Music Premium on us. Restrictions apply.
Oh, a bit quicker through there. Oh, we're gaining. We are gaining. Oh, we are gaining a bit. Come on. No. Oh, not quick enough. Okay. Not good. Yeah, we're still not quicker. We are getting we are getting a lot of 141s there. So that'll probably do us anyway. Oh, I really want a 140 now. Okay, where's the helicopter? I can't see him. Oh, he's there. I've just seen him. Can you see him? He's up there. I've just seen him. Okay, so I nearly got validated then on the grass. Yeah, but I've just seen him. Yeah, I've just seen him. So, not good. Just seen him. I've just seen him. Yep, there he is, look. Yeah, we'll be ending the stream at 50 minutes. We've got 20 minutes remaining, and then after that I've got a full hour to get these out. Should not take me too long anyway, because they're only short ones today. Yeah, I think I'll be off Xbox at about, yeah, be about 5 o'clock, something like that. I'll be off Xbox, and then I think I'll probably end up being back on later for a little bit, and then I'll probably end up going off again afterwards. Probably end up going off at about 5:15. Should be an alright time to go off. Remember to shut down the Xbox apps. I'm not on Xbox app until later, so turn that off as well. Okay, so this is the part where we are quicker than the Ghost, but for some reason, when we get like halfway around, we start slowing down a bit. Yeah, we start slowing down a bit. Oh, we've got a bit quicker through there. So that's a lot more. That's a little bit better. That's a little bit better. But for some reason, when we get to this bit, we start slowing down a bit.
I smoke too much. I drink too much. I tell myself that I can't stop. We could see clearly now.
Oh, hang on a minute. We might end up doing it, guys. We might end up doing it. This could be a 140 now. And this is what I've been meaning to have for kind of quite a few laps here. Come on. Oh, come on, 140. Yes, it's going to be. Come on, 140, come on, come on. Yes! There we go. Finally, 140. Ah, we finally got 140 at last. I've been meaning to get that for quite some time, and we have finally got it at last. I am so pumped. I am pumped now. I am so pumped. We've now got a 140. That is brilliant. Finally 140. That's amazing. Finally got it in just a record time. Finally got it at last. Oh, a bit wide. It's fine. That's fine. Wide on the exit there. Oh, wide through here as well. That's fine. That's alright. The Ghost is just ahead of us now. So I don't think we'll actually manage another 140 now. That might end up with a 140 we might end up doing. I don't actually really know that. That could only be the 140 we might end up doing here. Oh, sliding. Okay, keep it down a bit. It's alright. Alright. Okay, another 141, but that's fine. See, as I said, by the way, oh my god, okay. I did a massive bunny hop over the first curve. Yeah, that was actually not supposed to happen, but there you go. But anyway, yes, I don't think we're actually going to get another 140. I don't think that might end up be the 140 we might end up getting at this point. Oh, we've gone wide. That might end up be the 140 that we might end up getting. I don't think we'll get another one. Oh! I nearly went on the grass then. I would have got validated if I did that. Yeah, I would have got validated if that happened. That was close. Yeah, we are struggling to keep up with the Ghost now.
So we're all gonna make a show together, starting now, and it's gonna be about how we're all coping.
Shut up off that. Not interested. I'm actually glad that I don't actually monetize on my channel yet, which is brilliant, so I'll put bloody odd person. I don't think I'll be monetized until I get to 1,000. So that's my plan anyway. So yeah, I believe I said this in the last stream anyway. And when we get to the 4th of August, it'll be my 2nd and 3rd anniversary video for 4 years. I believe it is the 4th of August. I did record them tutorials. I will have a log. So I recorded one of the world on the 5th. So I believe it was the 4th I recorded the tutorials. Oh, wide! Not again. Okay. Alright. Calm, there we go. Try and calm down a bit. I just keep thinking that the bike's not had enough, but I don't think it has. I don't think it does anyway. Now we've done another 5. Yeah, I really want another 140. I really want another 140. Ooh! Okay. I'm done again. Yeah, we are really slowing down on the pace now at this point. Yeah, I don't think we're actually going to manage another 140. It's a bit. Oh, I've been validated. Yeah, I don't think we'll actually manage another 140. I don't think I'm actually going to risk it because, yeah, I don't think we're actually going to manage it. So, might have to stick with 141s, fortunately. There we go. Yeah, I think it's all going to be 141s now. Yeah, I'm just going to go for all 140s now. And that's it. I'm going to stick with any others, I'm just going to stick with that, and yeah, that's it. Yeah, it just kind of feels like that we're not on top of the length anymore with this Ghost. Kind of feels like it's kind of a broke me, to be honest. What it kind of feels like at the moment. We could like try and push, but I don't think it's actually going to work. Try and push for it maybe, but no, don't think so. Plus we could get another one here. No, okay. No. Okay, we don't get one there. Like, we need to be a bit closer to get like a 9 on that. Yeah, as I said, I don't think we're actually going to manage it, I don't think so. I might not even really bother. Okay, so I'm going to be 141s for these final few laps. So I'm just going to stick with that, and that's it. Just going to stick with that. Actually, I might go off Xbox at 5:30, so I've got half an hour. Yeah, I might do that actually. Might go off at 5:30, actually. You know, that means I've got a little bit more time to kind of sort myself out, so make it a lot more easier. Oh, we've got a bit closer, but it's still not going to be enough. As I said, I'm going to stick with my 140 at ones anyway. So, I believe we've done about like 15 laps overall. We have done a lot, by the way. We have done a lot of laps. I believe we've done about 15. Pretty sure we have. It all depends on when we get to the when we get back to the pit and see how many we've actually done. Because on my watch at the moment, we have done a lot. So we have actually done a lot. Right, I think we'll do one more lap after this one, and then I think that'll be it. So let's see if we can get 2 more 141s, and then yeah, we'll end it. I will try and hopefully push on again next time on here and try and get more 140s, but I just kind of feel like that one that I did earlier, it just basically went and I literally just couldn't get another one. So, and as I said from before, like I don't want to really push too hard. So, it kind of feels like that's what it actually is at the moment. Right then, let's get one more 141, and then we'll end it. Now, let's see if we can. I can risk it. And what I might do as well, by the way, is I actually might come into the pit as well, so I can save a lot more time as well. Rather than like skipping back to the pit, I might as well actually come into the pit. So it is kind of quite easy on this one. So I'll do that actually. Kind of saves up a lot more time if I do that as well. Ooh. Oh, nearly went on the grass there. That could have been it. That could have been it if I did that. That literally could have been it. I would have literally been back to the pit if that happened. Or maybe I would have pitted on this lap if it happened. So yeah, as you can see, the pit's only right there, so it's quite easy to get in. So when we get to the next lap, I'll be doing that. And yeah, looks like it's going to be another 141. So there we are then. So we've achieved all our laps. As I said, we did get a lot of 141s, but yeah, all in all, I'm happy with 140. So I'm happy with that. So yeah, that's pretty good. So yeah, as I said, on this lap, I will be going into the pit. Yeah, it's been a pretty not bad run, I might say, on here. Yeah, there's no point in me trying it again, because, well, I'm not on it. There we go. Right, here we go. That's just right here. And there it is. got 2 validated laps for coming into the pit. You know what? I don't care, because I'm not lapping anymore, so there you go. It's not even a thing. You get bloody validated when you come into the pit. Is that a thing? Is that allowed? That can't be allowed, surely. Oh well, that's what the game's all about.
So we're all gonna make a show together, starting now. It's gonna be about how we're all coping by staying creative.
Wait, what?
Create together.
Wait, what? Wait,
Streaming.
wait, you can't even put yourself back into the... What has this game become? You can't even like go back to the pit like that. Oh, that is just cruel. Come on, just come on. That is just cruel. I have no idea why it does that. So you go into the pit and then you just go back out again. That is just crazy. I don't like that. I do not like that at all. That is not good. Because I know that on a MotoGP at 18 you can actually do that, but on here you can't. That is really cruel. I don't know why they've done that. But anyway, let's go see the lap time. So how many laps have we actually done? Let's have a look. We've done 19. That is good. That is a good amount of laps. Okay, let's have a look. Okay, so our quickest time overall. I'm not going to read them all because we're nearly running out of time, so I'm not going to read them all. I'm just going to read the quickest lap, which was 1:40.857, and it was at sector 2. We were quickest on. So yeah, there we are then. So that is at the end of the stream here. Hopefully you did enjoy it. Sorry it's a bit short on this one, as I mentioned at the start, because of the game's on later. But yeah, it might be a short one tomorrow as well. I don't really know yet. I know obviously it is correct tomorrow, but it all depends how it goes. But yeah, I'll have to let you know. But anyway, hopefully you enjoyed it. If you haven't followed me already, please go and do that on Mixer. That'd be really appreciated. And also subscribe to my channel if you're new as well. We're on the road to 800 subscribers on there. So yeah, go and do that as well. Yeah, if you're new to my channel as well, because I do daily videos, but at the moment I'm doing daily live streams at the moment for now. So yeah, go and do that as well if you are new. But yeah, for now, I want to thank you very much for watching, and I will see you all later. Bye!